Right, we're back again. The problem is with the windows, we've sealed them all and they all stuck, they're all working great. We've sealed them on the inside, but we are getting water in. So what we're thinking is filling this gap in completely with a sealant to stop any water getting in, because the actual glue is round here where the opening is. So all this area is going to be filling with water and dripping out, and wherever there's a gap, which we can't get to now, we need to seal this up. So we're going to try around here first and we'll see how we go. We're going to tape it up and have a go proper.
What's the stuff you bought? So we're not using black silicone, are we?
We're not using silicone on this one. We're using, let me get it. We're using the Sikaflex 522, which is the one that is made for doing the roof, you know, for sealing the roofs and gluing the solar panels down and stuff like that. Now we're using a black. It's a lot more expensive than silicone, but apparently it lasts a lot longer. It's a lot better for the job, so we're going to try that anyway. Right, so we're going to tape it up. We've just done this edge, don't know if you can see it, and what we did, we taped it down one side, taped it down the other, and we filled it in, and it doesn't look a bad job, to be honest with you. We used this, which is a silicone tool, and we'll show you how we've done it as we're going along. So Lee's taping it up. We're going on the glass and the van, and it's starting to rain now, believe it or not. So what you've got to do, you've got to get right on the edge of the glass. So that when you pull it off, it leaves that nice edge. So we're going to finish that off. Make sure it's dry before you put any of the sealant on. Right, the rain's upon us, very fine drizzle, so we're going to have to give up. But you can see, I don't know if you can see it, what we've done, we've sealed it around the edge. And it's worked out quite well, to be fair. Now, whether that'll stop I think it will stop the water getting in, and then the bottom could be left open for drainage. In other words, if any water does get in, it can get out. But yeah. Right, so overnight now, we've done the windows, yeah, and you can see the look of them with the sealant that we put on. We've only finished it there so that water can get out if there is any water that gets in. We've done the same with that one, yeah. We've got that's a fixed panel, so that's not leaking, but we will do the same just so it looks the same. And on this side now, we're just finishing off this one. We're just cleaning it up. Once you have to tape it to get a clean edge, and then you have to go over it with a bit of soapy water in your finger, and what happens is it gives a nice shine on it and gets rid of any air bubbles. So anyway, that's the job virtually complete now, and we have actually done down the side of the door, so you can see down the side there what we've done. So that's, hopefully we're going to do a water test with a nose pipe and a jet wash and just see if that leaks, but hopefully that'll help keep it in as well, keep the windows in.